Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Ruike P-661 B here with me for a quick review, and we are gonna check it out real quickly. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. Guys, look at that. This is an interesting one. Ruike classic box made in China. There's a plastic bag, some paper, some advertisement, double advertisement, and some other paper like instruction how to maintain and clean this knife. But if you want to know how to maintain and clean this knife, just check out my video. Yeah, this is an interesting knife, guys. It's a liner lock. It's a G10 stainless steel liners. It's an interesting one. 14C28N steel. This is the P-661 B. It's a weird name, but that's how it goes. And it's an interesting one. It's a sleek one. It's a gentleman's knife because of the size. In fact, this guy is going to be, overall in length, is going to be 6.7 inches with a sub 3 inch long blade. That's going to be 2.75 inch long for the cutting edge. The handle overall length is going to be 3.75 inches, and it's a nice one. It's very well made, I have to say. It's a cheap one. This guy is gonna cost around 30 bucks, so it's something reasonable because I mean, yeah, the materials employed are not that expensive, but still, it's it's a cheap one. It's a $30 knife, and it actually works well. So let's just quickly check it out, because G10 stainless steel liners, G10 backspacer, lanyard hole here, deep carry pocket clip, which is actually like sticking out like that much. It's steel, it's polished. You've got this interesting thumb stud only on one side, like that. The stock thickness is pretty thin. I like this kind of like fake harpoon kind of thing going on. It's a fold, it's kind of like a swedge, but then goes up, and it's nice. I mean, flat grind, slicey. The steel is all right. It's not like M390 or anything, but it's good. I mean, there's no lock stick. It's smooth. That's the thing that impressed me a lot, guys. This is fast and smooth. It is not drop shotty or anything. You have to wiggle it, but who cares? I mean, the weight on this guy is going to be also pretty contained because it's small. It's not super light, but for example, this guy is going to be 2.37 ounces, so it's pretty decent and reasonable. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.